Hello everyone and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Janitor AI to the DeepSeek model using an API key. The process is extremely straightforward, so without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. First, to get started, we need to grab the digital key from DeepSeek that allows Janitor AI to talk to their servers. Go ahead and open your desired browser. Then simply go to the DeepSeek page. If the DeepSeek app is in Chinese, click on the English option at the top right corner. Then, all you have to do is simply click on the API Access option right over here, and that should open the API section of DeepSeek. Now click on API Key, then click on Create New API Key. You can name it whatever you want. So let's say, for example, we will name this Janitor. Click on Create API Key, and over here you will see your API key. Simply click on Copy and save it somewhere safe. Now that we have our key, we need to plug it into Janitor AI as a custom proxy. Open Janitor AI and click into a chat with any character. Look at the top right of the chat interface and click on the three horizontal lines. On the drop-down menu, you should be able to see an option called API Settings. Click on that now. Under the API selection, choose Proxy or Custom. After that, click on Add Configuration. We need to fill these specific fields carefully. For the name at the very top, simply write DeepSeek. Then for the model name, simply write DeepSeek-chat. For the proxy URL, simply type exactly what you see over here. Then paste your API key in the API section. In the end, just click on Add Configuration. Once you have done that, we need to verify everything is talking to each other correctly before you start your roleplay. Make sure the DeepSeek configuration is selected as the active API. Simply click on the Test API or Test button to see if it is working or not. If you see a green success message, that means you are ready to go. Simply close the menu and send a message to the character. If the character responds, congratulations, you are now running on DeepSeek's intelligence. If you get an error, double-check the URL for typos and check that you didn't accidentally add a space at the end of the API key. That's it. You have successfully upgraded your Janitor AI experience with the power of DeepSeek. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. Thank you for watching, and take care.